Hi, my name is Emma. This is my project 3 analysis. So I'm just gonna, project 2 analysis, my bad. So I'm just gonna go in talking about what I did. So mine's called Clean Bed, Clean Mind, how to make your bed, and how to make it a habit. So I go in just talking about why you should do it, along with like a video, and then like the steps and how to make it, along with my how to make it a habit, and then my project statement of goals and choices. But right off the bat, I picked option A because option B like wanted you to talk about the materials and stuff used. Um, and I didn't really want to be talking about that. I really wanted to talk about how you should make your bed and why to make it a habit, and that's way more of like an instructional like video, and so that's why I picked that one. It affected my media because I saw this video before I even knew we were going to do this as a project, and I love this video. It made me want to start making my bed, and it's changed my mental health for the better. For the better. It's helped a lot, a lot. It jumpstarts your day. It makes you want to come home to a clean bed, and you're starting the very first few minutes of your day actually like completing a task, which will make you want to do more tasks. So I basically talk about that all throughout my video and all throughout my writing and all of that. And then for my media and everything. So my audience can be like anyone that is like struggling and making their bed. So it can be like 8-year old. It can also be a 50 or 60-year old who is struggling to make their bed. Um, but basically my audience can be anyone who doesn't really have the motivation. But I would say it's definitely targeted towards like teenagers and like college students. We're probably the most lazy. Um, and so I would say it's directed mostly towards them, but anyone can read this and is easily accessible because it's just a website. And then my content, anyone who is feeling unmotivated or wants like a different task to do in the morning can totally watch this and read about it and see what you can do to change that. And then my visual rhetoric and everything like that. So that is going to be in my video, and all of the pictures that I used. So these are all the pictures that I used. So clear bed, it's cleared, and then put the fitted sheet on, put the top sheet on, make the hospital quarters, and then told you what those are and how to make it. And then put the comforter on top, and it shows how to do that. And then fold the top sheets and duvet down, and then fluff the pillows. And it shows you how to do that, and then finishing touches with the bed all made. And especially this video is a huge visual reward for me because it's like the start of the whole thing. So it's right here at the beginning, and so I want my audience to be the first one to watch because that's where like I got my information, my influence, and everything like that. So there's that. And then, what challenges did you face in making your assignment multimodal? Um, I would say like some of the challenges I faced is like copying and pasting the pictures into some of the options, as well as trying to get Screencastify to work was difficult, as well as Canvy, I think is what it's called. Canva, yeah, that was also very difficult. But like inserting like the YouTube video and like doing the pictures and stuff like that was like really, really easy. I would say like adding color was kind of difficult, but other than that, like not too bad. I overcome them just by actually looking at other people's pieces and kind of seeing the multimodal elements they added, and then I got like a lot of influence and ideas to do something for mine, and that helped a lot. And then, what were your impressions of a technology you chose to compose with this project? I love the technology I used. Google Sites is an amazing, amazing place. I love YouTube. That was also easy to use. Canva was a little difficult. I was confused to use that, but that's just because it was my first time using it. But Screencastify, not too bad, just because we've been using it to comment back to our peers this whole semester. So that wasn't too bad to use. and the impressions, I had a great impression and it really helped it like all come together and make it more useful in the end. And then how did the media lab help you prepare for creating this assignment? The media lab helped me a lot. I was really confused about this assignment in the first place, not gonna lie, and the media lab really helped me because in doing it, it gave me it got me prepared into like doing this huge project and this like, huge detail project. So which was really, really helpful because I would have like just got into it head first and then would have been super confused. And then I would have probably used more technology, software, not gonna lie. I definitely think my content is really, really good in this, but I would have used more technology software just because I think I kept it pretty simple with just using Screencastify, YouTube, Google Sites, Canva, and I probably should have just um uh either stuck to one or used like multiple of them and like on harder ones instead of just using like Google Sites. I should have like put it on Canva first or something. I would definitely would think I should have done that. And then for the multimodal, I think me adding the YouTube video was perfect and the pictures. Maybe I could add more like background color, and or pictures that don't even have to do with the steps, but just pictures to like make it look more put together and like pretty. I probably could have added that, but other than that, I think that's all I would do. But yeah, this is my project 2 analysis. Thank you.